In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix maximum numbers of attempts reached on TikTok in just few easy steps. This method works for iPhone and Android both. From your home page, keep tap on this TikTok, and from here you need to open this app info, open this data usage details, and then you have to turn on this disable mobile data, disable Wi-Fi and background data. After doing it, open up your storage usage and clear data from here. It will help you to clear your app files, settings and many other things. Click OK to confirm. After doing it, close it and open up your phone settings from here. Scroll it down and open additional settings from here. Then you'll find here this developer options. Open it, scroll it down. Here you'll find tons of options, but you need to find here this Wi-Fi scan throttling. You have to turn it on and also turn on this option always keep mobile data active. Close it and now open Play Store and search for TikTok. Open it and make sure you are using the updated version of TikTok. So these were the fixes to fix maximum number of attempt reached on TikTok in just few easy steps.